How to turn off or on location permission on Amazon Cash, on Amazon Shipping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shipping and then click these three lines here, and once you're here click settings and then click permissions, and that's it. Now just wait. And then scroll down, scroll scroll until you find location, and here is that location, and here you will find it Amazon Cash. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.